Meantime, dramatic images from that deadly fire in Calvert County Wednesday. The massive flames consumed 4 townhouses. 3 people are dead. 3 firefighters were injured in that blaze. Our Makia Turner was on the ground today. Here's what she had to say.
This community is absolutely devastated, and the goal today is to find out how this fire even started in the first place. I want to give you a look at the destruction that's left behind after a fire ripped through several townhomes here yesterday, taking the lives of 2 people, a woman and a child, and leaving nearly a dozen families displaced. I want to give you a look at the scene yesterday as the fire ripped through the townhomes. You can see a lot of smoke billowing out into the air. There was a large response here on the scene, and again, investigators just trying to figure out the cause of this, how this happened in the first place. Now, 8 firefighters were hurt as a result of this fire yesterday. 3 were treated for burns. But back here on the scene, you can just see the aftermath here. Smoldering remains from these townhomes, some of which collapsed. And again, just many families now left to pick up the pieces after what happened yesterday. Reporting in Chesapeake Beach, Makia Turner, WUSA 9.